Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Emmet and mapping the right languages so abbreviations actually trigger. Open Settings and search Emmet, switch on Emmet features, then add Emmet. Include languages entries like JavaScript, JavaScript React, or PHP, HTML. Once done, make sure Editor. Tab completion is set to on so the tab key expands abbreviations. You do this because Emmet only expands where VS Code recognizes the language. Mapping ensures the engine runs in non-standard file types. Next, configure how you trigger expansion so usage is consistent. Open keyboard shortcuts and ensure Emmet. Expand abbreviation exists and is bound to tab or another comfortable key. If tab already has conflicts, assign a dedicated shortcut. Then check Emmet. Trigger expansion on tab, set it true when you prefer tab expansion for standard snippets and Emmet together. You do this because VS Code can prioritize other completions. Explicit bindings and trigger flags force Emmet to run when you expect it to, reducing ambiguity. Finally, test your setup and resolve the common hiccups. Open a file mapped earlier, type an Emmet abbreviation like div_3 and press your expansion key. You should see the HTML generated. If nothing happens, confirm the file's language mode matches your Emmet. Include languages entry and disable extensions that override tab or completions. If that still fails, restart VS Code and reopen the file. Many setting changes require a reload. This quick restart often fixes stubborn state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.